So our clouds are pretty gloomy today on this Friday, and they have stuck around on the Port Newaldy Company Sky Cam HD. Very stubborn cloud cover tonight, and that's helping keep our temperatures pretty steady. And happy to report we don't have an Arctic blast coming for this weekend. We got 27 today as our high, 17 our low. Our high a little bit below normal, and then by the weekend will be above normal for a change, which will feel great, especially after the last two brutally cold weekends. Cloud and 17 degrees in Sioux City right now. Our temperatures don't really look too different from our 6 o'clock weathercast. Still at 17 in Sioux City, 18 in Cherokee, 16 in Spencer, some 20s in Nebraska, and 15 in Esterville. So this isn't too bad, especially what we've had the last few days. Winds are calm. We're starting to see them kind of get a southerly flow, and they'll be southerly through tonight and through tomorrow. And the southerly wind will be our best friend for the next 2 days as we bring in some of those 30s. But wind's not too bad. Our wind chills aren't too bad either, in the single digits. As we get through the night, we'll start to get a little bit closer to zero on either side of zero, both positive and negative in some spots. But again, at least not too bad. Tonight, those stubborn clouds, and we'll have some patchy fog develop as well. And then I upped that low temperature to 15 degrees with the clouds really keeping our temperatures so steady. I warmed us up a little bit there. Now tomorrow we'll be warming up and we'll be breezy. So even though temperatures will get into the 30s with the winds, we'll feel colder than that, but we'll lose the winds for Sunday. There are those stubborn clouds on satellite and radar, not much in the way, maybe just a few flurries, but no real breaks in those clouds coming. So here's high pressure keeping everything pretty stagnant. Could see some fog through the overnight and into tomorrow morning. Now overnight, this high pressure is going to shift south, which will help kick a south wind in place. Gets breezy tomorrow, gusts to 25-30 miles per hour. So even with temperatures in the 30s, we'll have real feels in the teens. Oh, not too terrible. Clouds stick around through tomorrow night and Sunday, and we'll keep that south wind in place, and it gets a little bit stronger, not windier, but it has a little bit more of a pull ahead of a cold front. So once the blizzard gets out of the way that's on the East Coast, then it could let this system come in for us. So warmer on Sunday as that cold front approaches. We'll stay with that south wind all day. The front kind of makes a pass at us through the overnight. We'll stick with some clouds and maybe with some flurries, but the snow will really wait for Monday. Light snow, though, looking at only 1 to 3 inches. So tonight, 15 degrees with patchy fog, those wind chills near zero. Tomorrow, 32 degrees, breezy with those chills in the teens, and clouds and areas of fog. And then Sunday, warmer at 36, blustery 1 to 3 inches. Monday, colder Tuesday, and then 30s by the end of the week. And look at the blizzard warning from D.C. to New York. This system already pounding D.C. Can't really see much. New York is upping some of their snow totals. We have 2 to 3 feet in D.C., 1 foot in New York. So they're really bracing themselves for a pretty dangerous weekend. So we're thinking of them as they hunker down with that snow.
At least folks out there got word of it way in advance.
Yes.
Too. They should be prepared. The fridge should be stocked, I guess is what I'm saying.
Exactly.
It's going to do it for